Let's learn colors. Are you ready? Let's go. Red, red. Orange, orange. Yellow, yellow. Green, green. Blue, blue. Purple, purple. Pink, pink. Brown, brown. Black, black. White, white. Nice job, my friends. Now, let's try a little bit faster. Are you ready? Let's go. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, brown, black, white. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, brown, black, white. Good job, my friends. You did it. See you next time.